Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. It is time to finish finally this latest part of the connection between the swamp village and the graveyard sector of my Mordheim table. This is the dimension of 1/3 of my table, guys. It's very huge. I will be able to work just a couple of pieces at a time. And since this is a very little space that we need to finish, I will finish with you today. We can finally say the word end to this part. This is totally wibbly wobbling. We need to fix it with some glue. So less talking, more crafting. Craft on! And now I'm immediately gonna use some improvement. Just low quality sawdust, guys. This is not flocking, guys. This is actually giving a texture, a base texture to the ground, like we did on the graveyard sector. Okay guys, so this is a pretty extreme technique. I know that. I used that several times in the past. And actually, at the end, we will be able to detach the pieces. We will have some cracks, of course, But in the end, we will have all the gaps filled with the right amount of ground, and we'll be not able to distinguish the pieces. Hopefully, guys, hopefully. In the worst scenario, in the worst case scenario, we will just have some attachment between the pieces. We will break easily with some cutter, and yeah, we will rebuild piece by piece all the table later on. But for now, this is important. It immediately gives an aspect of the whole piece. It's beautiful how some greenery can put everything together. And yeah, now I will wait few days because this is very, very humid. It's full of water, and it's very cold here. So the drying time will be very, very long. At the end of this video, we will finish all of this part with some black paint, and then finally we can paint some buildings. For you will be 1 second, but for me will be at least 5-6 days. So yeah, be patient. Or not. So yeah, see you in a click. Okay guys, so I don't expect this to be perfect, but at least it should be good enough to guarantee a beautiful connection without ugly gaps. If so, we are happy. If not, yeah, maybe we have to, correct a little bit some pieces, but I'm quite positive this is good. It's very well dried now. It's very solid. So the first step is to separate the graveyard piece. So let's do that. We need a little bit of space, not so much, but just for understand if we can move everything a little bit. And 3, 2, 1. And it's, of course, it's attached. Let's check it out. Maybe the glue just passed through the aluminum foil a little bit. So let's remove first of all the aluminum foil. You see the beautiful connection. Let's move a little bit the panel. Let's see if we can crack it a little bit. Maybe like so. Yeah, it's good, guys. There is just some little connection from the base. And that's it. That's it. So now let's put it together again. Check the other side. Nice. This can be improved a lot. We will. You see there is a lot of extra part that we don't need. And this is also without flocking. So with the flocking we will have the final situation. This is far away from being a perfect final solution, but I will use some dental cement at the end for actually close these gaps. Now that we have finished with this connection part and it's good enough for continue the work, I will finally prime the graveyard sector after we finish with some pieces again on the walls. So let's crack on. I want to use a simple solution, guys, just with a bit of water, PVA glue, and a little bit of black primer. Plus cheap acrylic black paint. A generous amount. But before, I want to finish a little bit this part of the walls because it's really too much naked. Much better, guys. Now we paint. It's taking a lot of paint, guys, because it's full of cracks and stuff, so it's important to not be shy with the paint, okay? Let's remove some pins. So guys, I have tons of pieces to paint, a large amount of terrain to paint. Everything is perfectly dry now. Stay with me because this project is gonna be epic. Remember guys, I can do all these videos because you are supporting me. Please subscribe to this channel, it's fundamental. I'm just growing with an organic community. I'm not, paying for increase my audience. I'm just putting out my videos, and my community is based on your subscription. So please subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. If you want to have early access to all my material and have extra content, please support me on Patreon. Just one coffee, guys. Remember, for you it's just one coffee. For me it's all the support in the world, and I will continue to do my best to grow and do better and better. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting!